double layered shaded crystal LED 3000 hanging pendant. We're going to demonstrate and show you what this pendant is about. Core pendant light for your lighting needs as we unbox it and show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packaged with the handles to lift up and the instruction guide laid on top with your hardware, screws, and wire nuts. Protected by styrofoam all around as we open up. Demonstrating on the table, the cord, this little white tab pushes in your leads to the height you desire, locks in to release, push in the white tab to slide back out. The maximum amount of length is stopped with a washer and nut silicone. Located inside is your ground, load, and neutral, and your hanging bracket by 2 gold screws. Check online for further details about the coloring you are after and the global design. A nice close-up look at the crystal-like type of LED light and the cosmetic cover top that has all the controls. Find your junction box to hang with the light fixture box on, optional, and secure down. Loosen the ground bolt. Place the ground on and lock down. The ground acts as a hanger. Hook up load for load, neutral for neutral. Tuck your leads in for the desired height or adjust as needed. And lock down your cosmetic bracket cover. Turn your light switch on and your lights are hooked up. This is an LED light at 1 Kelvin. This is a dual shade glass acrylic with gold and dimmable with an optional remote control or wall switch. And we're going to dim down 10% all the way up to 100%. We have here is 25, 50, 75, and 100%. An optional dimmer is required. It is adjustable for height by pushing up and pulling down or pushing in, depending on the height you want, as we've shown before. These lights could be hung in a living room, a kitchen aisle, anywhere that you want to hang, on an angled ceiling, and more. It is a 3000 Kelvin crystal type light, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a hanging pendant light. Thank you very much for viewing, and enjoy your product if this is something that you are interested in your household lighting needs.